Hello guys, so today we are going to do the mission of Penny's Halloween, and now we're collecting 20 jars of honey. Twenty jars of honey. That's it. And then let's go to the next step. It's the harvesting of 40 Oreo cookies. I'm producing 40 wheat flour and harvesting 8 lemons. So here is the Oreo. Okay, then how about the producing of the wheat flours and then harvesting of lemon? We are using the purple watering kind for our 8 lemon to be harvested. And next step is harvesting for strawberries, producing 40 loaves of wheat bread, and preparing 8 brave toast. So let's harvest our strawberries. Producing 40 wheat breads. I think it's in our hardware already. I already made it last night. There you go. And then for the sugar cane, and then we have to prepare 8 brave toast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There. Congratulations. About the next step is harvesting 50 chardonnay, producing 50 bottles of champagne, preparing 8 jugs of lemon champagne. Let's do the chardonnay, harvesting chardonnay. Producing the champagne bottle. It takes long time for this one, but I'm sure you're gonna be put here, there, and one is there. Okay. Then let's bring this back to the upgrader. Okay, then let's do the jugs of lemon champagne. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, completed. Okay, that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching.